Hi everybody, welcome to a new tutorial from Sound for More. It's Leo speaking. Today I'm going to show you how you can emulate the wheel to effect when you have a virtual tone wheel organ preset or patch active. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. Okay, first thing you need to know is that if you want to actually check how that effect, you need to activate the virtual tone wheel organ engine. In order to do that, you need to press zone select and then select zone number 2. If you don't do that, then that engine will not be active. It is by Roland design, like so. When you have done that, of course, you can press on the organ category button, and then you can see here that the type is virtual tone wheel. Okay, organ, you have a preset there already. Now, actually, let's go on. I suggest actually you go to first to bank D, get an initialize zone, and then repeat the same. So select zone 2 and then press that organ button. Okay. So in this way, we don't have any other zone which are active. I should have done that at the beginning. So let's click the oscillator button to see the parameters. This is where you see the different engine parameters, the nice draw bars as well. And this is a really nice engine inside the Fantom itself. If you need some help, just leave a comment and I will do a dedicated tutorial. Now, if you place some keys on the keyboard and then you act on the wheel, you just push it up and then down, and you hear that effect of braking. Okay, and that depends, of course. I moved it up first, so you heard that slowing down and then moving up again. Right, so how do we create something similar to that? Well, of course, there are different ways to do it. In this tutorial, I start with the simplest way and probably the one which is not close enough to simulate that, but it's one way. And if there is interest, leave a comment and then I will progress with more advanced tutorial on the topic. So let's select first the synth category button. So we have a wizard lead. Perfect. Let's click the oscillator button again, so we go inside the tone edit screen. Now let's scroll down here on the left hand side until we go to Matrix Control 1. So on the source here, let's change this and go right to the bottom and then up to where it says Modulation. And if you use Modulation at the moment, so if you move your wheel to up, you hear that the modulation, right? Perfect. So click on destination 1, okay, and then go to the bottom and change it to pitch, okay. Then click on destination 2, do the same, but instead of pitch, select level, okay. Then go to sensitivity 1 and draw these down to -63 and do the same for sensitivity 2. Now, let's use the wheel 2 and let's move it up gently. So that's one of the first way you can do that. Of course, it's not the same thing because it's not the program which runs as it happens within the virtual tone wheel organ engine. Okay, this is just controlled manually by your wheel, so you have to do it slowly to get closer to that effect. But that's the simplest way that you can do it, okay? So in this case, we are actually waiting for the modulation CC message, and when we receive that, we actually reduce the pitch and the level, and the settings are here on sensitivity, and that is why you hear the pitch gradually going down and at the same time the level as well, which will give you that simulation that you are slowing down the engine. Okay, that's one way to do it, and it is probably the simplest way. And of course, you can use it for other effects, right? If you want to do it faster or slower. So that's very simple. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And as I said at the beginning of the video, if you want me to progress on this specific topic, there are other ways to do it. For example, using the step LFO. Okay, see you at the next video. Thank you. Bye.